Safe synthetics are okay. Natural is better. But organic is the best. Your body deserves the best. I Am Worldwide Corporation presents Awesome Organic Instant White Body Cream. Awesome Organic Instant White Body Cream gives skin an instant glow with the latest organic formula packed with natural skin lightening, anti-aging, and moisturizing actives like licorice root extract, which helps in the fading of hyperpigmentation and sun damage for all skin tones in a safe manner. It blocks melanin production to prevent the formation of hyperpigmentation. Its usage leaves the skin brighter, hydrated, and clearer. Rosehip oil is a source of essential fatty acids that helps in regenerating skin cells and repairing damaged skin tissue. It also helps improve the appearance of burns, scars, and stretch marks. Allantoin stimulates cell regeneration, promoting healthy skin. It also helps heal the skin and stimulate the growth of healthy tissue. Tomato extract is an antioxidant which helps prevent free radical damage, aid in healthy cellular function, and strengthen skin. It also helps fight cellular damage, skin inflammation, and brightens your skin tone. It also contains powerful antioxidants and skin beauty enhancing natural ingredients from aloe vera leaf juice, shea and cocoa butter, olive oil, carrot seed oil, vitamins A, C, and E, almond milk. It is preserved through the use of Lucidol liquid, infused with Giga White A, Swiss technology. With this all-organic body cream, you can achieve instantly whiter skin, effortlessly beautiful, and totally breathable.